Because if lazy boy, now they talk about women again, nobody go watch her. Now let me go fit cure this boy. Because I get all the records for you, and I go the way they talk and go the plan. Now let me go fit cure him. Yes, and I go make sure say if papa and mama and I go the direct that insult they give. This lazy boy, if you don't know, I don't disown you like 4 months ago. If you think I they let me ask my fans, the very day when you started to talk, say your mama toto the cold. That day I come here say you are no longer my godson. I don't disown you. The insult you give me yesterday, they look like normal insult where anybody feel give me. If you feel trauma, give woman way born me, woman way born everybody, women way be say men. If not for them, if not their life. If you feel trauma, give women. Who can be me? Where you don't feel insult. But you see this my insult when you insult me so. Now they wait for. You say I they look for you since then. Now you look for me, I be look for you. Not be you come with one of your friends. I want to expose you today now. I go expose you today. Tomorrow I go begin it. Now you are going to beat for the next 1 month. All those people they climb your platform. When it's set the other day, they go ahead. You did Nigeria for them. Not be mad though, because I don't want to go talk something tomorrow. Now they come see you beat you. They'll say Enogie. God forbid. Man no deal. And this man mad. Now not be mad to take the talk. She be not mad to take the talk. That's why I don't even know why Iyore go arrest you from the beginning. And Iyore come arrest you. Iyore not feel hold lamb. Me spend 1 week there. Iyore, what to make you feel say this boy not insult you again? You not feel am. You arrest somebody. You say, man, he sign on that take, he may do apology. You go do him now. You not feel him. You not spend 1 week there. So, you see, say the money will go to arrest and waste. That's why I can never arrest him. Now, Matt, it talk. Abi, you see, use Matt, the knacker. Just the way I want to begin to expose her soul. Because the girl didn't talk when I did wait for. Since they make it talk that word, so that I can't disgrace her. And I'll still expose them a little bit. I'll keep the rest. If me get me still do, me you still go. Not be with Mato, you still play because now your audio me want to play so like this. Lazy boy. Europe where you come not favor you. If you go back to Nigeria, maybe you will become a normal human being. You promised me, if not be God will stand by me, you be one use me. And I will explain. When you reach Nigeria, you be one me I can't do donation for you again. I can't promise you. I can't promise you. You know why I don't do that donation for you? Because I learn from your family saga. If you feel insult your own sister, your own same mama, same papa, not the way you not do that one, you see that one a shower. Then make I pause. I'm not gonna help you again. Yes. I go explain on one after the other. Now frustration they make easy, but they say Europe women to the cold. I swear to God who made me. If you not answer them again, I will be women. If you not answer them again, as they talk for them, now only the people will be saying they be fake accounts. Fear let them they show their face apart from the Momo easy boy. When I let them they talk, I swear to God, the easy boy go down. Now they give easy boy that view. Now they give them the strength to continue to take the insult on our way be women. And I go tell now, somebody where they depressed, where frustrate, can do anything. Somebody where they depressed and where frustrate can do anything. Easy boy, before he refer to women say they are totally cool, make you go ask him mama whether na papa this virgin mama. Because me go tell now easy boy mama story. Maybe tomorrow. Because the audio when I want play, I go want me blog as carry that one and go first. I can't tell now easy boy mama story. I no lie. I go tell now the story. Easy boy mama don't go another husband has before. He not born for there. Easy boy mama. He don't fair go out that. Easy boy mama na woman will be say picking really hard down. Wait. Don't listen to me very carefully. I'm not share. Easy boy. I be lazy boy. All the things you tell me about me say, Enogie, all the donation what they do for them, now share the share. Really? Now share the share. So you believe say me that believe you with math, without no evidence. You go bring evidence, come and when I tell you, say, give me part of the money. Because me go play your evidence now. When you even tell me, make I send account, me you give me small. And I can't tell you, say no. Before I go begin the disgrace, may I begin to show evidence first. Because I not be present how they talk. Wait. May I begin to show workings. Wait. Get the way I tell you. Wait. So they do some kind of things. And they do one with evidence of proof. Because of tomorrow. Now you make me consider you. Normally, I don't do this on a regular. But now you make me saga you. So you'll be around. Now, because if I saga you with the truth, if I beat you with what come out of your mouth, you they talk, you can't look stupid in the eyes of people. And what I want to be that one. If I saga you with evidence, you can't use math, they talk. If you they use math, they talk, nobody will believe you because people will say, Enogie, they play audio evidence. You play evidence of audio for me. Easy boy, you will tell me say your prick not the work way. This is no joke. You say your prick not the work way. I go still tell now the reason that your song where you sing where it go viral. The sweetest part for that song was not be you singing. Now that boy where did not nice because you feature him. The sweetest part of that song. I'm going to be playing that song again today. Because you don't tell me they take glory of what not belongs to you. The sweetest part of that song is not be you singing. The sweetest part is not you. It is Paco that sang it. I will still play audio evidence. I will tell they send me some music, a passing whether it's sweet. I'll say this one not your sweet too. You remember I say you tell me say your prick not the work way. Say na stress, doctor say na stress. You know? I'm going to not be to talk with math. I will play with evidence of proof. So imagine person where he talks, he prick not the walkway. Inside there, Europe not favor him. Inside there, he can't still deport himself by himself. What you say me call Europe women? Who is lazy boy? We go say Europe women to they cool. The Europe women go can't really the vest for that thing. We don't leave them make they talk. We don't cut out like person who don't know anything. I swear to God, I go tell now the reason why they reply is the boy. I go tell now. Wait. I go tell now. Just a moment. I go tell now the reason why they reply is the boy. Wait. You have messed with the wrong person. I not be Iyore. I not be Iyore what they do. On my yabo when I not be Iyore. Get the right idea. Anything I do here today, I go to bring evidence of proof. They come and said. That's why I build. Because of tomorrow. I will how I will see. Because people know me for this platform. Say. All right. This is 6th of February 2025. This is 6th of February 2025. I'm gonna see because now the audio I want play so, and I go tell now the reason why they play this audio. First and foremost, the reason why they reply you, lazy boy. Now what better what be you are they listening because I don't say you frustrate. I don't say you dey stressed up. Even they pay me say women they react to what they talk say. That they clear, that they cool. Now my boy easy boy for Bele. Now my boy easy boy for Bele. Not be woman put easy boy for Bele. Well now, where be women go call the stress. He don't let the shop he costs. Anytime he talks to women to do the call, mama, they refer to mama. But I don't know where some of them where be women. They give this idiot relevance. All right, I want to transfer this audio. Easy boy, you don't know me. If you know me, not go even if I curse your papa, curse your mama, not go mention my name. Power tap and share. 6th of February. 6th of February. Yap. Yap, 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 yap. Yap, 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 yap. When you see the audio, this one and when he cry out, say, Enogie house when they sleep. I can't use my platform to raise 800 euros for him. Listen and listen carefully. See the reply when they give me.
Baba, uwase Baba, uwase no one. Kada Baba, you appreciate it, Baba. Solupo afia gwerame, uwase Baba.
No, before I play that one, Nogi, what are you doing? Make I first play something first before I play them. Listen, see what in the talk. We want make me play this audio when I screenshot here. Listen.
Allow, I know you without people share the money. And they hear me. They share that they plan. I know you want to say they help for last week. After I don't help from the Kuba,
you go share, yes.
Now what you know they do?
If they give, yes, if they give person 10,000, no go give the person 3,000.
Now what they do? But you don't tell what they find me. Now what they find? Now you want to see so.
And I go see Amo because I go to use your voice note till they beat you. Because from the very first day where you decided to insult women, and from that day I turned my back against you. I not get any insult where you will give me, where you will pay me, I swear. Because you frustrate. You are the only Jado where deport itself, go frustrate for us. Jado they go ask before. Brother Mac, they deported him. He can't become somebody. Go read German money safe. It dey work now. Okay? But in your case, you frustrate. And now you constantly be a musician. Get down for men, say your career as a musician is gone forever. Just get down. Just get down at the back of your mind. These women, to they call you, they talk, so me go see where you go do and reach. Me want face you now man to man. May I see how your power tax rich. Remind me, yeah, disgrace way. Now, this is what he said. He said, all the money when I raise from my platform, I know say not lying the lie. But some mumu people feel still day. We will believe say all the money when I donate for year, I get them very when I take. This is the reason why I'm even replying this idiot. And for this simple reason, for me to even on my platform, say I want to reply lazy boy. You go collect, go to for my hand. The listing.
Allow, I know you without people share the money. And they hear me. They share that they plan. I know you want to say they help for last week. After I don't help from the Kuba,
you go share, yes.
Now what you know?
Now let's go back to the audio now. I just play something for now. He say all the money when I do, all the money when I donate for a year. He say now me. They go, they do and kill and divide. I can't tell them they not talk. I be not be waiting to talk. I just need a yes or no to continue. Not be waiting to talk. Okay. All right, I want to play the audio now. Listen, when they raise the 800 euro for him, when he say what he pay our strength. Listen, when the money complete, listen.
We say Baba, we say no one. Kada Baba, you appreciate it, Baba. Solupo afia gwerame, we say Baba, we say. Baba, what do you actually know where? Why the catch you when your body can you know Baba? We have me no one. We can you know. Understand, Baba? We say no one. No.
All right. For those of you who know the Yebini, he said, "Pa, thank you so much for helping me. I appreciate the fact." He said, "Pa, you too much." He said, "Pa, if you give me your account, make I give you small thing." Now, what he talk for Benin? Benin people they hear the watch and not the lie. Now, what he talk just now for Benin be that one. Abi, now see my reply to him.
No, Baba. Listen.
See my reply to him.
Go.
Easy boy. Go for it. Don't worry, man. You will be will be not down. When like every one ramen. No, we have a peace. We are not do manare that we
Okay. Did you hear now? If lazy boy say give me 1 naira for that 800 euro, make God give me evidence of not be this one be easy boy person they carry ayelala for. No, person wey don frustrate for life, wey don confused for life. You know if he carry ayelala for that kind of person, never. Now the voice of him mouth, now you go to the beat am. I have just debunked what you say now. Say for my platform, if I dey help people, I dey collect. Now you even insist. You see, I say if I dey tell them for here, say Enogie is a straightforward person. All the donation I've done here, I don't collect a dime from them. I don't collect a dime, and there will be nothing that will make me to collect money from somebody when I dey help. That's not how to help. You help person finish, you go collect from inside. No. But because say I can't post the video when you go apologize to Iyore, now you can't say okay, me go pull life for Enogie head. I just debunk. Now, if you say when I meet the asker now, if you say you transfer money to Enogie, can you post the account? Let's see. You go fit post the account. You know if you post the account, can you post the account? You cannot post the account. You cannot post the account. Have I don't debunk? I dey see message from their name. Easy boy never even know when you for man. Oh, say I don't debunk that part when he talk say if I donate money for people, now me and the people they share them. Oh, say I don't donate because that is what a lot of them feel. Say I they do here. That's why a lot of people they feel say I'm going to make Enogie a serious put for this donation. Enogie they collect you for inside the day there. Now lie you, and they do everything for God. Oh. And they do everything for God. I know they do anything for anybody. If I see say man, you need help, and what all the things where you tell us now truth, I'll help you. I'm not doing it for you. I'm doing it for God. And all my fans who they do donations, they are also doing it for God to open their way. Because now get then they give person.
They use your account. If you use your account, they take it.
You understand? So lazy boy, you are too small to come on social media to tell people that I take money from people when they help. Because you don't use your mouth confirm and now say, make I send you money. Make I send you money. Sorry, make you send me money. I tell you say no. Let me play it again.
Baba, no one.
Okay.
Kada Baba.
Okay.
We appreciate Baba.
Okay. Okay.
We say Baba. We say. Baba, what you are here no one. I catch you when Baba we can you Baba we have me no one. We can you understand Baba. We say no one. No Baba. We say. Easy boy. Go for don't worry, man. Ya will not down. One like every one ramen. No, we have a peace.
You see, I say money not flick me. Money does not flick me. Even when I come outside here, tell my fans say, may they help me, my phone not good. I buy the phone on live stream, pay on live stream. That's me. I tell them say the money don't reach. If not some people they go they send more. But I tell them say money when I want to buy phone don't reach, when I do well. Because what I want to lie for. If I lie today, when I cash me, say you know they lie. Tomorrow I don't go believe me again. So it is better for me. The donation when I want to open next year, foundation when I want to open, are free and fair. All the money people are going to send into my foundation, when I go to see them. When I go to see and say, okay, now 1 million that I did there, and 2 million did there. I'm not there to touch the money because it did, because I know the foundation. If now I go still tell me, say, passing somebody, I'll still ask now, may we help? Now say yes. May we take from our money? Now say yes. I'll tell the person, your transfer so amount. That's me for you. That's why they always say, please support me with gift, power tap. Apart from all these roles, gift, money going, I see they see, I am okay. but nothing like integrity for life. Lazy boy. Now, one go to another audio now. I don't debunk now. When you ask me, I send your account. And I tell you, say no. Because you cry at that time, say no, get ready to sleep. And how many of you remember that same day when they do this donation? I used 4 days to raise €800 for his lazy boy. The first day when I started this donation, how many of you remember what happened that day? One girl come this my live stream come talk say he swear for him. No, he say his sister swear for him. How many of you remember that matter? How many of you remember? Maybe not they forget. I will be easy boy worry. I will show you how to play saga. I will teach you what is saga. Not be all those ones with the talk for live video. I go still play on that audio of you. I will play on that audio of you. But before I go play that audio, make my fans laugh small. Make them laugh small. When you tell me say, when I dey play your music that time, meanwhile, I need to first debunk that part first. Now, my people, this music when I want to play so, now Easy Boy and Sparkle King, now singer. As I talk now today, that Sparkle King before Easy Boy deport himself, in that boy not dey play game. Lazy boy, when they call himself Easy Boy, na person will get jealous in spirit. Also, na gomana na wow. This is the reason why he left Ben. And I will tell now the reason why I get jealous in spirit for person way in future for the song. If future the boy, but more than listening, I want to play on something. Listen. I want to explain. Easy boy, don't worry. I'm going to disgrace you to the world. Make people know, say, man. Thank God, say, when you and that boy call me that time, and I come beg me, say, he permit me to play this music. Yes, I did it. Thank God, so not be only you one. Now I do it for. Now 12, now I do that thing for. Because now 12, now I sing that song. As you miss, I lay you one. Now I play that song for that time. If you pay me now. But I can't happy say, not be only you one. And this Sparkle, so you don't already felt this Gwagwa Sparkle to me. Say Sparkle na bad person. Sparkle na yeye person. Sparkle na winch. You don't already tell me. Voice recording, when you say for me, they when you take this Gwagwa Sparkle for me, say Sparkle, they use your star. See the saga when they follow you, they do now. I know they do, you say, I will play audio, they follow on. Before I continue this live stream, thank you so much. Please power tap for me. Are you enjoying this live video? Now they enjoy them. Because me, I not be. This is how I come out. Because they say, "Oh boy, I better not go find out for me." No, nah. Come and say, insult me. Anything you want to talk on, I'll come say debunk and with your voice. At least now they don't already know now. Say you be liar for there. So now, if you want people to believe you now, you go bring back statement. You send me money for the one when I donate for you. Iyore don't get all this wisdom. Iyore can't go the pepper body. Iyore can't the sitting in banana go. Iyore, first go do your own first for Bini. Orionba no the fight for woman. You be Orionba. Forget all those. Mommy Iyore, I talk about what they tell you for your platform. You are Orionba for life. You don't know. Man, they tell you today that say be Orionba. Confirm. Swagalicious one for that matter. That's why for your platform, nothing good is ever they come out for that platform. It's either person prick small or you carry back come back and say, oh, we are not here without a Germany. And get where. You will not get better husband for life. People will get relationship affair to come they explain to you. Who dash you mommy Iyore?
1 minute, I beg.
What it make you be mommy Iyore?
I beg 1 minute. One woman dey outside. I think say na people when they bring something come. He say he go do operation. Na so doctor drop her. He need €5 to buy her drop. May I give her? Is that possible? He did outside, my side to pay.
He did WhatsApp for me.
No, he did outside the month. You see, he need €5 to buy a drop. Old woman.
Nah, they can't really.
I've been a God church to old woman.
Not be God church to old woman. I lie.
See, he need €5.
Wait, where the old woman?
He did outside. Open door. He did outside.
You sure?
I call you to carry to this kind thing. My camera face you. See Anna. You know when no mudia. How is that possible? Doctor no go write I drug for you, me go buy your drug. You can't knock for black the month, may they give you €5. Yeah, beans, okay.
Mama, sit down.
They speak English or only they speak English?
Sit down. Mama, come and sit down.
How carry?
Mommy, come and sit down.
Papa is coming. Eh? I've been a God, church to Jesus Christ, he can't try us. Yeah? He say €5.
And the woman, old woman.
Old woman, I've been a God, church to Jesus Christ, he can't try us. They really say God go come this period though.
Mommy.
Eh?
What's our do now?
Hey, the video. You know who go? Are you tired? Are you tired? Okay, this is by talker.
I did it by talking.
No, no, say I know the forge. I know they carry the forge something now.
You can give her.
Hey. Well, flip a camera.
So you say no.
No, if I give her, so say yes.
Set up with you.
Oyibo,
Everyone set up. What they say? Set up with you now.
when you wish or maybe I be I say na who package na it dey outside. God do.
What confused?
I na so me o the thing shock me o. Yeah. I say na Jesus na he share to dey call ask us money. Jesus na lie. Na Jesus share to dey.
Not be Jesus.
Na Jesus share to dey so.
Okay, you know that. Hold on like this. Hold on like this.
But you know if you leave that kind of woman like that, I wish that black man.
People should go inside.
Go inside. Don't go inside. Papa is
This
coming.
camera, eh?
Mommy.
You know, you know, eh?
€5.
We'll give her €10.
Really?
Yes. We don't give them the exact.
God, director.
We don't give them the exact amount. We'll give her €10. How do you go then? Hello, Baba.
Yeah, you don't pass everywhere. You come knock for our door.
Hey. Hello. Yes. No. Oh.
You send me in front.
My mind is soft. Anyhow.
I wish my gun was there here.
Yes, go in there. On you.
Huh?
But you flip. No need for us to go flip.
No, flip man, our fans, yes. Yours, eh? Hold on, Lily, go inside and come in. TikTok don't like it, yeah? Your name is now, yes, you go. Where flip go down. Give her, pray. Flip her. No, don't open the door. Don't open that door. Leave there. Flip on.
Great. Great.
Flip on. You go place I talk to myself. Flip on.
Muri. Who got you now?
Okay.
Just hold on like that.
Okay. Man, honey, you like this? You go show when you have smarty. For sure. How much you say you want?
You need €5? Huh? You need €5?
Yeah, for
I give you €10.
thank you. I bring it.
Where are you from? Where do you live?
I give you.
Where are you from?
Thank you.
Don't bring.
Nice.
Don't bring for me. I got you.
Thank you.
Where do you live?
Going?
Hagener Straße.
Yeah.
Regelen?
Yeah.
Regelen, genau. Neben Regelen. Danke.
Alles gut,
Vielen
alles
Dank. Bleiben Sie gesund. Was heißt gesund auf Englisch, weiß ich nicht. Not ill.
Okay.
Say.
No, I just say, okay, bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
Go to your room. What's that? Go to your room, Mama.
We don't fake things yet, so everything.
You don't know if I've ever been bad, tell you. But tell you about that. They were
Look at consists on TikTok. No.
Et de Denis, now two things I observe. One see me. 1, 2. Who are we bar? Wherever we bar, wherever everyone era. So my people, because if we not flip this camera, some of my people say we use the light.
Just see fans on TikTok.
So because anyway,
catching up here for Europe. I person go knock your door, ask money. I person go knock your door, ask money. You don't feel apple. But people that can't say they exist.
It's fine.
It's there.
If not, I will not flip the camera. But not just based on say, make no not the adapt or see it in that way. So back to our discussion. I'm going inside now.
Okay.
Back to lazy boy matter. This part. Hey. When me I play the music first before I can tell you the reason why he say he want to do song for me. Now he thought say he want to do song for me. Just the way we have so the other day, so can't go do song. Now my people,
Easy boy.
they listen on.
101.
I for flip am, but you know say TikTok not the like am. But more than the part time and the gift, cap, money gone. Wow, yo. Why you listen on? Now easy boy they sing so when they listen on. Other way on. This one I only the song, Wait on it. That's why I say lazy boy. Where they call himself easy boy. You don't come fuck with the wrong person. And I go so for they beat you small. Yeah, why I disgrace you here? I don't disgrace you already with your voice. That's why when you come on live today, you want to saga me. Tell them. When I go watch them. When I tell them, say, play a Enogie voice note. Where it said for you. Not be the one where they talk with Matt. That's what they catch person they lie. I don't know. And they sing so.
Baby, I feel like grace for you.
Now easy boy say they sing so.
See everything correct too. I don't know waiting day your body.
Power tap.
Anytime see your face, I don't know the stand for you. The way they bust my brain. At the club yesterday, you see the matter they play for my head. I don't know waiting be this so. Over me. I don't feel like to you. Your matter they do coco. Your matter they do gigi. Your matter they play for my head. Why you dey like the baby mo? This one I love but not die.
Now you see they sing. Why don't we all?
Don't know again. Your matter they do gigi for my head. Pity me, girl, give me some love.
You listen to me. Alright, easy boy don't finish for here. When I see the glory when he come take o. Now sparkle now one from here now. See, now not be easy boy one sing now. He don't finish for here. When I see sparkle, I'm gonna tell me the one we go very pass. This is sparkle. This is sparkle. Now sparkle next sweet pass oh. People come the duet and they go. Easy boy say why Sparkle go duet in music. Yeah? Now from that time I begin to fear this boy. Oh. Say, I'll run for this boy. He said, well, how you go fish on me for music? You say I no fit singer. You see the Sparkle side as is sweet. Easy boy was not jealous of this guy. Because of this music, and this Sparkle so called they go different place for Italy. You know they sing that from the beginning, they sing that from where you from start. Easy boy go say, now you get song, you dey jealous me, you dey jealous me. So because of these guys, I know lie, I swear to God who made me. Now because of this Sparkle song, this part, that triggered me for the song that time. A lot of people they send me music. I know they will play. Till today, till tomorrow, a lot of musicians they send me music. Except when the one will give me money, I'll still play them. Say me your play them. Ask lazy boy. Say how much he give me for this music. He not give me money. This easy boy. Sorry. Sparkle. This is Sparkle. This is Sparkle. Let's see rhymes. Let's see verbs. Let's see how. You see music. Before his boy comes out again, it will be now these guys when I finish this music. Easy boy let this guy. You don't even let her drink water, drink cup. He said, "When they perform the song again." He said, "Now he get all." He said, "Now he write verse for him." Now you write verse for him. You not fisting that. Now I can't go one side. After I don't help him, in a Sparkle below the music. If you even go this video now for YouTube 4 years ago, if you go to the comment sections, people go to write, "I came here because of Enogie. I came here because of Enogie." Because that time I sing this song well for my wife. Okay. Not be one day. See what he said he said for me. He said he want to compose music for me. Well done, yo.
Easy boy, who if I want to finish, when I said that, go again. So, he a queen, nigga. So, before your marriage, nigga, they actually use the song. I pray. Me and my boss, I love my papa. So, you want when I so, mommy, I don't want.
When I pour me water, when he sent me this song, he said that they play for me. I thought they pray, say, "Papa, don't let this song get end. Papa, don't want me to send me this song." Because listen to the song alone, it be like a burial sound. So imagine say you can't finish this song. As Sparkle not join. Sparkle my day. Wow, that yo. That it. Sparkle my day back one now. How the song want it sweet. What yo. All the voice where they play is not busy boy. And when I tell me play one for now, when I see someone say they compose for me, after all I've done for it, that mugo. When I see someone say what they appreciate me.
Easy boy, who if I want to finish, when I said that, go again.
Please say you don't sing for me. Please say you don't sing for me. If not, now they use your mama to they sing, say your mama to they cool. I forgot to delete that song for YouTube. Please say you don't even sing for me. Happy. Which one be? Easy boy, who ado, Enogie one. Oh, Enogie boy. Enogie Ogboya. Enogie Ogbijuya. Enogie Ogbera. No sense. Oh yeah, where they go? Like when they play all the small. When they care where you are doing, when they care where you are winning, now you see tell me. And now, she be say women to the your mama to the code, not be women. It go make them no say your prick on the work. Okay, can you where because as I did so, now your voice out they saga you. Now all your voice I think they beat you since. But they still say, you know, sir, you are not a good musician, you are not a good composer. See the one we still sing when you reach Nigeria. See you. No, wait. May I go your this thing? May they tell me. May they tell all those people so when
Women went to Europe.
all those people so when it be say that they support you, they just still frustrate like you. Then they look for the nearest deportation flight where they want to go as Europe don't tire them. No responsible person will come to your platform and applaud you for what you are doing to women. I swear to God. Both the women where they call your platform and the male they call your platform, all of them don't gog. All of them don't tire for Europe. Because I see no reason why you go climb that boy platform if you do okay. When the true marks they give women. Which music? See, because Europe not favor you.
Easy boy. It's a legend there.
Who be legend?
Be lost.
Who be legend? Who when you were? Story. Who when who answer you? The party where you do it 24th of December, 23rd of December. Who when you were? 11 o'clock, party never start. I'll post after this now. 11 o'clock, today, fear not let you post your show. But I'm going to post it. I don't say you're this shocked as I take get the video. And maybe no game at all. Yeah, what here? No stopping. Yeah, what here? No stopping. When you see some group of women, they call they greet you or Zuo. They call you say they call your show. Can they say, oh mama, I say. You know video you. No. When they call police for you, say you did that, you know how they take couple. You see, after you do insult women finish, you can't go ahead and say you want to go do show. Your career is finished. As far as Enogie is concerned, as a musician, focus on this. Your mama to the colo, because any music you sing, we are going to that music not go anywhere. Where you are bow. As far as I'm concerned, even if that music is sweet, as far as I'm concerned, that move one year you are bow. Now what time why they do you be that one? I will frustrate you beyond human imagination. Go look for that lie. Continue. Now, after you don't send me this, Enogie one gen, I play again.
Easy boy who do Enogie one gen. If I want to finish, when I said that go so he nigga. So before your marriage, nigga, they are telling you this is the song. I have
Gunwe Awabera. Wait. Let's play. Now, Easy Boy Larry, you never finish. Lazy boy. Because of me, now one woman completes that money for you. The woman in France. As we speak today, the woman is regretting. This is the pay slip of the one with the woman to do the money for you. The remaining balance, 350 euro. I don't raise 550 euro for you. The remaining balance, 350 euro. This is the money. The woman send it to you because of me. Then, when you reach Nigeria, you call the city, they call me, I call the clap for you. Do you know the power, the strength the woman gets as human, as all of us in this life? Do you know that women have strength? more than we will be men. We will be men. We get physical strength. Pardon, we feel beat them. We feel beat them. They don't get that strength. But women have strength. We pass our own. Women get strength. We pass our own. Now, when they send you this money, you still confirm them. I'll still forward that on the side. You still confirm them.
Baba, domo sir. Domo. Love you too, Baba. Domo. Uwese, Baba. Edike asende meni go meni no one. Uwese rame. Uwese. Salopa fiangwe rame. Uwese kakabo. Uwese.
You see? Okay. That one can go pass. Then you don't already confirm and now say the woman don't send you money. Una see anything again. Apart from this chat here too. Una see any other thing again. Thank you so much. South Sea UK, God bless you. Una hear any other thing again, say send me money, oh, I need my share, oh. Did you hear anything? When he confirm the money, say the money don't reach in hand. After 2 months, I hear say they deport him. At first, I can't feel say maybe now really deport him. Now he go tell the say one go back, say don't tire. That is what laziness can cause. You know why also? But as I talk to now today, so Easy Boy will still post his account number for a TikTok for them. Go say when they send that money. Some people for Europe go see they send that money. Not be juju be that. Some people for Europe go still open where you go put account for them. Go say maybe they send that money. They go still send that money. Mona ask Easy Boy say see enter Nigeria. What thing he don't do with his hand? Which work he don't fit do? Check all the people who go to support Easy Boy for their life don't bring. Tell me one work when Easy Boy don't fit do. He learn trader, no. Driving, no. Waiting lazy boy they do for us, nothing. Nothing. He promised me say if you reach Nigeria, say we be the best. I will playing it right now. Me get the way I take the whole. Play me. And we play. You hear me? Because he get where he reach on the 14th of March 2025. He come voice me. He come voice me. Thank you.
Papa, in Facebook, you have so happy. You understand? You know, you have said, you know, when you see when no way. La Papa, that's a thing you go, Papa. You see when you share screen and make it now there.
Now they always they come, they ask for help. But in this very case, you say if Facebook, you don't money, you don't they bring sign of monetization. Make I call help monetization. Imam monetize ine. Ina way. We marry tonje ro nuwene. Your sister one disgrace in social media. I give her the 800 euro for. Let me go back. 6th of February, he couldn't ask me again. May I call monetize in Facebook for 14th of March? I know manner. Then I later and say I go call him, but because of my marriage, sorry, I say my marriage, because of calls where they enter my phone and all, I don't coffee reach out to him. Then yeah. I think
Easy Boy, very yeah.
This is just a normal talk.
Very music be kakabo. Wow, try no validate atire. On office de no atire.
You see, after I done the call me, they tell me say me I help because say I did very, very busy.
Baba.
That one I know we hear that way. Now let's fast forward to when he was deported. When they deported him, I was shocked. I was like, what happened? He said, don't tire for Europe, let me can go ask. I said, okay, no problem. It is better for you to buy for Europe. Or now listen. He can't send me. I can't and say I go send that money as a reach Nigeria. Me and I can't talk for WhatsApp. He can't tell me say no. He say me can use my platform to raise money for him. I can't say like how much. Because me I use my platform to raise 1 million naira for him. When the phone cut, I can't laugh. I say, you when I raise 800 euro for February, May, yeah, or that 3 months, may I still come my platform, tell them, say, hey, you need money. And I say, that one not the happen. From my mind, though, that be the account we send me to.
Where say Baba, kada, where say Rami, Wato Baba,
See,
Domo Rami, Domo Baba. He wasn't there, where Rami, no, I go, I can't even have Baba.
don't send me your account. Now, since then, since that me and I'm not gonna talk again. Me and I'm not gonna talk again. Before I can see say the trauma they give me. When they begin the trauma they give me, I call at first I feel say maybe you want just do it for some time, make you rest. I was concerned. I can't reach out to Edes. When I call Edes, that one I also laugh with the laugh. That one. I say, where is your friend? He say, oh, I say, easy boy. I say, I bet try reach out to her. Say, I want to talk to her. He can't conference easy boy with me. That phone not really ring go. I'm not going to reach out to easy boy. I can't tell her this, okay, if you reach out to easy boy, may you try as much as possible to call me back. After some days, I can't reach out to her desk. And those after you see reach easy boy. He said, yes, reach out and say, these women so when they insult, make it stop her. He says easy boy, what easy boy is not content they use and they do. Now she can ask and say, what kind of content is that? She be woman too. She dey Europe with her husband. She dey Austria. How you go say women to the co, women to the this, women to the co? Easy boy can't change in number. When easy boy comes inside the over, they try to reach her. He can't change the number to Nigerian number. I'm not gonna get that one again. I can't the verse for her. Because why? From that very day when the trauma give women say women to the co, women to the co. And that day, so now I can't tell the whole world publicly. That's why I want to ask that question now. How many of you were here when I disown easy boy? When I tell now say from today anything will concern easy boy not concern me. How many of you are there here? How many of you now? So Larry, lazy boy, I don't debunk small for you because you know what my time. I don't give you all the time when you're there. I don't debunk the part when you say all the money when I they donate for you. Say I they share around with people. I don't debunk that part. So now it is your own turn to debunk me by lying. Say Enogie, you lie. See the bank statement when I take some money for you. That one and one. If you don't come debunk, I'm not gonna still rest like that. If I wait you 1-2 days, you not come debunk that thing when I debunk, so I'll still come out on that thing again. I will continue to disgrace you. I never want to play that. I never want to play that part when you talk. Say your prick, not they work well. Say that girl when it comes because the very first day when I open my live stream, say I want to do it for you. Then I will climb up saying, "My sister swear for you." Now your sister still do and make your prick not they work well. As we speak today, your prick not see they work well. Now that pain that you put for women body, that is the truth. If you say the lie, can't debunk and say Enogie, you are lying. If you don't tell me say your prick not they work well, you say they will suck your breast, touch your prick, suck your breast, touch your. Sometimes you say me they make your ear yourself. Maybe all those ones go still trigger you. You say it go raise small. Then if you reach the time when you have to put out for inside the pekus, you go fall back again. You say you don't tire. When you gog for France, when you know if you pay your house rent again, why you insult people in your city? I'll still talk about that one. So I did wait for you when you come debunk. Not come back and say, Enogie tell me, no be with Enogie tell me, oh. Nobody go believe you. Say Enogie tell me with matter, nobody go believe you. You have to play Enogie's voice recording. Just the way they play your own recording since. You see, it's your jealousy and frustration. Because now, I know if you say you just get frustrated and depressed. This is the reason why I know if use police arrest you, I know if you carry a yellow for you. If not, if you be better person, I know call they play all this audio. I'll bring the paper for you, make one swear when me take collect money from you. But as I say, they don't already swear for you already. You know how many women they used to Toto, they swear for you every day. And Toto is a very powerful weapon where you fit fight your enemy. woman, if one woman used to swear for person, e still dey work talk less of multitude of women. So I dey beg all the women wey dey my platform today, easy boy no be better person. Not be person wey una go dey stress on herself for, na very useless boy. If they do all these things, make it for stay relevant. He go apologize to Iyore the other day. Iyore no feel locked up for prison for 1 week. Iyore now society where Wakame no more that taking. I hear they laugh for say my palo here. I say, okay, oh, he like that thing. He go right to that taking because where people wait there around that feel beaten. Me, if my fans tell me today say I will catch his zibo, I say me they naked down. So that if they talk say women toto they cool, they go say your prick, say your prick, say your. You don't know me. That is why when I did like Topolo Mokina, the juju when I want to scatter down my head for January, back to back one, back to back. Not be say easy boy and the debunk easy boy. Topolo, I know follow Topolo on the exchange. Now juju how they swear for now, swear. Yeah, why I'm about Topolo here? Till I see say okay, the juju don't more, it don't too much, and I go the poster from my backup page. You know so my people, I want to ask you now this question. If your prick not the work well, you come Europe for years, Europe not favor you. You come frustrate for Europe, be like one grace. You come finally go back to Nigeria. Will you be happy with women? You will not be happy with women. You will not be happy with women. You will never be happy with a woman. That is the reason why they always talk say women toto don't cool. If you say I dey lie, then I'll come and play the audio. I want to put you on some space now. May God push you come as and make come talk. I know they'll push you come, they'll take me come talk. But now, I don't already make you look like a liar. I don't already make you look stupid in the eyes of the people where you tell yesterday say, Madam, what's your problem?
Hello.
Hello, boy.
Why you doing, please?
Eh?
When I had the bleed.
Oh, what, boy? Eh?
Again, please. Allah bless you in the Jannah so much, please.
A blizzard of not be
The day, baby, please. Why dear minister, baby, please. Please, please. Please so much one game. Allah bless you in the Jannah.
The blizzard of you, what soon? Are you Arabic? No, my mind. The same request. And they cut out, man, please, please. How be you relate to easy boy? Oh no. Not be all those kind of women. Now that kind of people now make that year boy talk say that to the cool. So that's it, my people. So please, I beg you in God's name, all the women, if you not fit do this one for me, I swear to God, I will be very grateful. Anytime easy that year boy come outside, they talk so women to the cool. They look out for conversation. More no climb. More than let those boys for there they talk say they are to the cool. A lot of all those boys where they climb easy boy platform they talk so women to the cool. Check their prick. The ones where cool don't finish a day. They say they talk say women to the cool. The one where be say their prick don't they work at all again. It did there. Then you will be better woman. We get better because you can't climb. They follow people where be say their prick don't they work again. All the boys where they climb easy boy platform, their prick don't they work again. I'm talking. If their prick they work, okay. Okay. You understand? Their prick don't they see anytime those boys stay there. If you not get their pictures, more they send and they can't give me. May they post their picture for you. More they saw them. All those boys who they climb their platform, except for the fake accounts, don't send to me. If na real account, send that for me. Say pa, they don't do that. They talk say women to go. More na me I on my platform for you. When I call they swear for them. This is another way to end his madness. We swear for him for 1 hour. I'll you put my platform. All the women go they climb up. They swear for him back to back, back to back, back to back, back to back, back to back. We'll follow and do it for like 2-3 weeks. Won't see him. whether body no will calm down. Not because I don't get the medicines there to take care of that idiot madness. But the reason why I be not want to put body for the issue now because I'm a small boy. I know I'm very well. Now very young boy, small rat. Because in Nigeria, they know they pay bills again, no they do anything again. They sleep from house to house. So if you know that Nigeria be the best place to be, you know that Nigeria be the best place before you enter Europe before me go punish your man. Now what boy easy boy? You don't know before say you Nigeria is the best place to be. If Jando don't go for Europe, they confidently go back because they say Nigeria is the best place. You don't fair know before you travel that. Now the same place now you they say maybe for they send you money. You know what I'm going to swear for? Now we be women. Any man, any woman, where they send that money, now I'm going to swear for. Better swear. Now I'm going to swear for. Women get unity for this TikTok. I never really see where women gather they swear for easy boy. I want to see him from today. Now when I don't put body, I want to see where real women go come out while I'm with because they talk down on our way be women. They talk down on our way be women. If I want to do that one, I ignore her. But for all these two options, when I bring, ignore button is the best option. No need for now to do the stress and say, "Pa, come meet me." I give you now two options, but I choose one for now. Ignore her. I want to do the go. That good for Iyore. No money Iyore. Because Iyore get the opportunity to hold that boy for 1 week. Iyore get the opportunity to hold her. Iyore now ya to I'm a digwe. Why no digwe? He must lawyer for there, be there for living. Because he know say if he not lawyer, they go put her for prison. So he must, if not me, now what I'll do, I'll fair beg first. But anytime, any day, not be me, but anytime, any day, now when easy boy they insult, una see him again, una naked down, una snap it prick, keep. This is the only way to stop his madness. Because assuming Iyore naked down that day, you know, when they talk now, say, Iyore to the smell. I'm not saying the lie. Now, maybe a glass of Iyore. Iyore see opportunity. Iyore not. Iyore me opportunity. Iyore ma meti luwe. Lawa bi onagbe. How many of you are in support of that? Anytime, any day, anybody see me, they naked down. So that if you prick the public, you not go get mad again to say that Toto they cool. Yo, if not me that day, even in a banner war. Not be that one where they say, when I beg, no. If person do you something when he be say man, he pay you. Because I know so the thing pay Iyore, that make Iyore go after them. You go say me they naked down. Not be me go arrest them, but anytime any day when I cash on, when I cut this video, keep. Wabanewa. More not last me go in down. More not even carry a go station. More not naked down, when video and when I go. Because if you not leave her for there, if Papa never see food eat, talk less of the one who want to go be a person. That is the only punishment you people will give to him. So they share naked video they go. Anytime they talk say women Europe where women to mama to the co. No, just if he send the pre-giver for WhatsApp. He might not even get himself for life. And they tell now how to treat such people. That's why I don't want to go after them. But if you want cash out for me, I beg. When I naked down, I'll pay. How much you want us to put? All my fans, how much you want me to put for anybody who go fit cash and naked down for us? Wagmeri. But now we promise me we're not going to reply them online. We're not going to reply them online. How much you want me to put? Me there for naked. This one not be say when I see me call they apologize. How much? No, 1 million naira. It's too big for easy boy. Who is easy boy? 1 million too big. Anybody wey fit see am naked down for us, we'll give you 50,000 naira. If you don't feel naked down finish, now we know how much we can give you after that 50,000 naira. Look at me for no say me, no, you're not there. 50,000. Anybody that can naked him 50K. That's to tell you, so what thing they do not really trigger me. I'm enough now support me. 50K, yes. Then if you don't feel really naked down, now we can know how much we can add join. But we'll leave one for 50K. 50K is okay. Okay, yes, just 50K. Because in adjust too. In adjust, in not be better person where you go put 1 million naira for years. So 50K. In Nigeria, people they will go do it for 10K. So that's it. Okay? So I love you all my people.